Hi friends, I'm Patel here and this is a monthly challenge as episode number 4. So let's start it. So this is our challenge and we are going to make it very easy and this is one of the very easy challenge of the month. So I'm going to make it in Fusion 360. So let's start it. So first of all, we have to select the view, front view I'm selecting. Then I'm going to create sketch. Selecting the plane and make a line from the origin to the straight part upward direction and make it 40, giving a dimension. Now again I'm creating a line from this point to the straight point with no dimension and making a line like this with no dimension. Okay, as imagination I will make this type of line. Now I am pressing D for dimension from this point to upward direction and I need to give a dimension of 45 and I'm locking it. Now again a dimension from this point and this point, but this way we to drag it and here we to give it about of 15 and we enter, so it will be 10. Now pressing L and make a line from this origin like this with no dimension, but here we need to give a degree of 45. Press tab and you can give the degree 45 and press enter. Now press T on your keyboard for dimension, select the point, origin point and select this point and give dimension of 80 and do it enter. This way we'll get the view. Now again I'm pressing L and making a line from this to this at this angle from where this line point touch, where this way, making a complete view of 45 degree. This way, see, V. And now making again line from this point to this point and it will be a straight line like this, which I have make it and do it enter. So our simple model has here shown I have completed, and let's make it a 3D model. So finish sketch, go to the home view, press E to extrude the body and I'm extruding about 1 centimeter, means 10 centimeter, let's make it 10, so it will be easy. So our challenge has been completed to be done. But now let's appear some appearance selecting this model. Press right click and you will get this appearance option and you can press A also for that. So I'm appearing the screen one and doing close. So now we have completed this challenge and thank you for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and if you have any doubt you can comment me. Okay friends, bye for this video and for more videos subscribe to my channel.